Thank you so much, Bali Wonder Travel, a professional travel planner with affordable fares.
Start your visit at Ubud Art House Center, Kintamani Volcano View, lunch, coffee Luwak Garden Tour, Tirta Empul Temple.
This is incredible. How long have you been carving?
Since I was young, it's our tradition here.
The detail is just beautiful.
It's amazing craftsmanship. Thank you. You're welcome.
Your painting is beautiful.
Thank you. It is of this garden.
It's so vibrant.
The colors are amazing.
This is our culture.
Incredible. Wow, look at all this silver.
It's incredible. Let me get a shot.
Absolutely, everything looks so fresh. This is so beautiful.
It is. Cheers to us. Cheers. Welcome to Bali. What do you think of the view?
It's absolutely stunning, so beautiful.
Great. Let's get in the van and drive through.
The Luwak coffee, the number 16, we just only the regular chocolate and then the spicy chocolate.
Oh, wow.
I'm sorry, do you want to try the Luwak coffee?
Thank you very much. If you would like to book a car with promotion rates, please open the link on the description. Look forward to exploring the best of Bali with you.
Well, everyone, thank you very much for joining the tour today.